Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for History Year 4, Unit 1, the Romans, and this is video part 1 of 2. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm a Design Leader Art Curriculum Plus for Primary History, Geography and Science. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources for this unit available on Oxford OWL are the History Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources to go alongside some activities in the lessons, the Pupil Knowledge Guide, posters and discovery box cards. To access the resources on Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in to Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject you want, in this case Year 3 and 4 History. Scroll down to View the available resources. Select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Here is the overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit, and they can be found in the progression document and in the unit planning guidance, or you can pause the video here to read through them all. Although all units will support pupils with historical understanding, the main units we've highlighted as supporting this one is the Year 3, Unit 1 Stone, Bronze and Iron Age unit. The main units we have highlighted as using this new learning as a foundation for future learning is the next Year 4 unit, Roman Britain, and the Year 5 unit, Anglo-Saxons and Scots. For more detail on the link between the units and the progression of this knowledge, please refer to the Unit Planning Guide and the History Progression document. Every history unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around. The inquiry question for this unit is, why did the Romans invade Britain and how successful were they? The main disciplinary concept of this unit is cause and consequence, to understand the causes and consequences of the Roman invasion of Britain. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each, apart from lesson 6, which is 1 hour to allow time for inquiry question planning and completing. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson, and pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the Unit Planning Guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to plan for.